In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Kling AI video generator. So the first thing you have to do is go to klingai.com and you want to create an account, which is completely free. It's very easy. All it does require is your email, a password, so you can make up a password, and then you'll have to verify that email via a verification code that will be sent to your email. Then in here, as you can see, once you sign up, you will get free 66 credits that expire within 24 hours of the account being created. So here on their main website, on the home page, you want to click home here, and over here it says AI images, AI videos, and then video editor. Now you want to click on AI videos because this is a tutorial on how to use Kling AI for video generator. Now click this, and then in here you will have to put in either text to video or image to video. So if you have an image, you can simply drag and drop it and then add the prompt, so what you would like to see. But for this instance, I'm going to show you how to use the text to video first. So text to video, it says got a vision, let's bring it to life, type away or explore the Kling AI best practices. Now as you can see over here, it gave me some hints. I'm gonna kind of refresh these hints, and it gave me pyramids. I'm gonna actually click pyramid over here, and it typed in automatically. There is a huge mirror pyramid in the desert, and the mirror reflects the surrounding desert environment. So that's quite an interesting thing to generate into a video. What you then want to do is go down here. Once you've written that in, you can write in anything, by the way, anything you want to, of course, and edit it as much as you want. You can set the creativity and relevance filter over here, so we can go from either to the creativity side or to the relevance side, so depending on if you want creativity or relevance. Now I'm gonna leave this as it is in the middle, and the mode can be either standard or professional, but if you're using professional mode, you'll need the premium version of Kling AI, and then the length can be either 5 or 10 seconds. However, the standard mode, so the free mode, will only support 5-second videos, and then the aspect ratio can be changed as much as you want over here, as you can see in the free version as well. And the camera movement is also kind of editable over here. You can select if you want it to be horizontal, and then you can play around with it, vertical, as you can see over here, or you can simply reset it and leave it as it is, so with no camera movement. You can also add a negative prompt. So basically, this is the things that you do not want to see in the video. So let's say you don't want to see any blur, you don't want to see a cactuses in the desert and stuff like that. You can add this in here, and it will basically remove those things from the video, and it won't create them at all. Okay, now down here it says itemized bills, and the standard mode video generation costs 10 of their currency. Okay, so this currency, these credits over here. And then once you're done with it and happy with what you see and what you have set up here, you want to click generate for 10 credits, and this will start generating your video. Now it says your creation is brewing. Enjoy a coffee break while we finalize it. Kling AI keeps spinning magic even when you leave the page. So as you can see, you can leave the page and this will kind of complete and finish up. Now in between, while we wait for this video, I'm going to show you how to use the image to video. So in here, what you can do is simply drop in something, so whatever kind of image you would like. Okay, you can use an image and the prompt. So let's say you want to add in an image of a random cat. Let me find out a video, an image of a random cat, and I'm gonna show you how to basically do this. Okay, so I will drag in an image of a cat over here. There we go. I dragged it in. It's gonna load up soon. There we go. The cat is in here, and then the prompt can be optional. As you can see, it did the exact same prompt we've had before, but I'm gonna type it in. I'm gonna say the cat is looking at its paws while laying on the floor, let's say. Now that's it, and the setting is the exact same, so you can go into creativity or relevance if you want to. Okay, and then naturally, of course, you will have to wait yet again, and you can select the camera movement if you want to, and then you will have to wait for a bit of time for this to generate, as you can see, as we're doing right now. Okay, so it's currently at 43%. I will skip to where it gets to 100 and you'll see the end result. Okay, so this is done and this is the end result. As you can see, I'm now gonna play it. It looks pretty good out of the prompt we just got. So this one about the pyramids. Now, as you can see, you can start this over here to kind of favorite it. You can click those three dots, you can report or delete, but I don't know why I would want to do that except for delete. And then you can click download, but if you have the free version, you will only be able to download it with watermark, okay? But of course, you'll still be able to get it to your computer, and if I now open it up over here, you'll see that it's working. The quality isn't the best though, but there's the watermark down at the bottom right, as you can see. So that's pretty much it. If you want to extend for 5 seconds, you'd have to upgrade to premium, of course, and I would highly encourage you to do it if you really are into these AI videos. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.